Today, I have a problem with my shed, and I'm going to take care of it and check out a product at the same time. Stick around. So as you may know, if you follow me at all on social media, I built this shed a couple years ago. Just a canvas carport, and it's great. It stores all our lawn equipment and stuff like that. But it's pretty good. The only problem is we've had a lot of snow and particularly ice lately. And when I built this, I put in these kind of like homemade ice breaks, and it does help getting the snow to fall off the roof better. But this past week with the ice, as I was pushing the snow and ice off, some of the ice came through and I got a little slit in the roof. So I had to fix this. I tried duct tape, didn't stick. There's condensation under here. It just wasn't the fix that I wanted. If you know me at all, you know that I love Flex Seal. I have used Flex Seal to fix a plumbing leak underneath a bathtub. I've used Flex Seal to seal up my flashing around my chimney. I have used Flex Seal to seal up the joint between the floor and the wall in my basement. And for those, I've either used spray Flex Seal or liquid Flex Seal. And today I am going to try Flex Tape. I've never used this before. So it says it sticks to wet. It sticks to, well, let me read it to you. Super strong, rubberized, waterproof tape that can patch, bond, seal, repair virtually anything. Is specifically formulated with thick, flexible, rubberized backing that conforms to any shape of project. Can be applied hot or cold, wet or dry. That's great for me because it's winter and this is a little damp. Now I am, just because I will try to dry it off a little bit. It's UV resistant, extra wide, large holes, cracks, rips, tears, bonds together almost anything, seal out water, air, moisture, repair virtually anything. Okay, blah, blah, blah. So let's read the directions. Just cut, peel, stick, and seal. Leave backing on the tape to desired dimension, remove backing and apply to clean surface. Press down firmly to get out any air bubbles. The bond will increase with time and pressure, and in some cases may need up to 24 hours for maximum hold. Once bond is fully cured, flex tape cannot be repositioned. Okay, so I'm not going to have a lot of pressure here, and it says to cut it with either really good scissors or a razor blade. So I'm going to use a razor blade with a new blade in it. So let's see what we got here. This stuff is the only the one thing I will tell you about Flex Seal products. As much as I love them, I find them to be a bit pricey. This little roll of 4-inch tape, which I think is about 12 feet long, I'll have to double check the thing, was 12 bucks. So this is $1 a foot. Yeah, I think it's a little much, but what can you do? It says peel with the backing. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a piece that I need, and I'm actually going to split this in half because this is just a little tear. So let me get this cut, show you how I cut this, and then we'll get this repaired. Okay, like I said, I have to cut a slit, so I am actually going to split this in half. Just going to put it on the board here, freehand it in half, and it says it bonds to everything, and actually when I was trying to cut it, I noticed it bonds to the razor blade too. So that was pretty easy. Splits right in half. Let me go up and put it in place. It says it sticks to wet, but it should be clean. So I am going to take this backing off. Simple as that. It's stuck. I'm sure I could move it now, but I'm not going to. And now I'm actually going to put one on the other side, outside, so I have like a sandwich. Okay, I got the top one in place, and I did not film. I couldn't film me putting it on, but it was the same as the inside. I just pressed it in place, smoothed it out. The reason I could not film that was because it was kind of treacherous. Of how I did it. The ladder skills that I used were not for the faint of heart, and I certainly do not recommend that for anybody, but that's a project for another day. So what do I think about Flex Seal tape? So far, so good. It went on super easy. We'll see over time if it holds. If it's anything like any of the other Flex Seal products that I've used, it's going to be great. I have no doubt that it's going to work. So, would I recommend Flex Seal tape? Yeah, I would. Again, the only drawback is you get 12 feet. Did I ever look that up for you? I ripped up the thing. Oh no, this is a 5-foot roll. I think all Flex Seal products tend to be a little pricey. The Flex Seal liquid goes for anywhere from 75 to 90 bucks a gallon. The spray cans are about 10 or 12 bucks. I have not used the Flex Seal caulk, and there is a new Flex glue coming out, which I'm dying to try. So, Phil Swift, you want to hook me up with some Flex glue? I'm all yours, buddy. But I'm sure at some point there'll be a case where I will have to glue something together, a car, a truck, or part of my house, and I will get some Flex glue. So the moral of the story is Flex tape, yeah. You know, you see these as seen on TV products, and we think they're kind of hokey. But this is one Flex Seal has yet to let me down. So if you have a project like this, a rip in a fabric building, a hole in you want to patch a roof, seal a hose, a pipe, I wouldn't make it a temporary fix for any kind of pipe seal or plumbing fix, but to get you through until you can get the proper things and fix it right. I don't know how Flex Seal handles goes under pressure. Me personally, being a old-time plumber, or at least having a lot of plumbing skills, I would just fix it right with the plumbing equipment. But for a temporary fix, yeah, I would try it. Probably not something that's under pressure, but hey, give Flex Seal tape a try. I think if you have a patch, a repair, something that you need done quickly, this is going to help you out and get you through till the next time. So that's it for me, guys. I'm going to get this ladder away and get back inside. So until I see you next time, remember, take care of yourself and your home. I'll see you soon.